you can see is portrayed by these various panels. So this is your tools panel, this is your brush, and this is your color panel. So first we'll go with the index trigger. So the index trigger on your left hand controller has a very specific function. So whenever you hold it, you can see a line appears and this will connect with your right hand index trigger. With this, you're able to draw straight lines which will follow along the line with your left hand index trigger. Here you can see I can make a straight line or even a curved line, giving you much freedom on how you want your strokes to be. Okay, next we have the Y and the X button. So X button is your basic undo button and Y is your redo. Next we have the thumbstick. So with the thumbstick you can change the panel on your left hand controller. Here you can see I can change into brush, color, and your tools panel. So this is your basic function of the thumbstick. And lastly we have the grab trigger, which is similar to your grab trigger on your right hand controller, basically navigating and zooming in and zooming out.